How to write effective cues in Cornell Notes. Are you ready to transform your study sessions with the Cornell note-taking method? Today, we will discuss how to write effective cues in your Cornell Notes. This technique can significantly boost your learning experience. Let's get started. First, let's clarify what cues are. Cues are brief prompts that you write in the left-hand column of your Cornell Notes. Their main job is to help you recall the detailed information in the main note-taking area. When you use cues effectively, they encourage you to engage actively with the material. After you take detailed notes, it is time to identify the main ideas and keywords. Go through your notes and pinpoint the core points. Write concise keywords or short phrases in the cue column that capture these ideas. Make sure these cues are clear enough to remind you of the larger concept without rewriting everything. Another effective strategy is to turn some of your main points into questions. This approach transforms your notes into a self-testing tool. For example, if your notes cover a scientific process, you might write a cue like, "What are the steps of process X?" Or, "Why does phenomenon Y occur?" These questions will help you recall information actively and deepen your understanding. To save space and speed up your note-taking, consider using abbreviations and symbols. Develop a system that works for you. For instance, you could use a question mark to indicate areas needing clarification or an exclamation mark for important points. This shorthand makes your cues easier to scan during study sessions. Keep your cues brief and focused. Avoid writing full sentences or lengthy explanations in the cue column. Instead, aim for keywords, phrases, or questions that quickly direct your attention to the detailed notes. During your study sessions, cover the detailed notes and use the cues to test your memory. Try to answer the questions or explain the keywords without looking. This practice strengthens retention and highlights areas where you may need to revisit the material. While summarizing your notes in your own words at the bottom of the page is not part of the cue column, it reinforces your understanding. Additionally, consider using color coding to highlight different types of cues, such as questions or key terms. This method can make your notes more organized and visually engaging, which aids faster recall. In summary, writing effective cues in Cornell Notes involves selecting concise keywords and questions that representing the main ideas of your detailed notes. These cues should be brief, focused, and designed to prompt active recall during review. By using symbols, abbreviations, and color coding, you can improve the clarity and usefulness of your cues, turning your notes into a powerful study aid.